Stupid Cupid, you're a real mean guy. I'd like to clip your wings so you can fly. I'm in love and it's a crying shame. And I know that you're the one to blame.
Stupid Cupid,
hey, hey, set me free. Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. I want you.
Sa aking pagdating, sa'yo ko lang sasabihin. Kailan na ikaw ang kapiling ko sa ilalim ng buwan? Kay saya
lakas mo konti, lakas mo.
Cute! Cute! Cutie kay na bay, mura siya o Pikachu. Bago lang nakita ng sige nag... The cutest member. Cutie kay na bay, mura siya o Pikachu. Bago lang nakita ng sige nag-miss you.
Babe. Iba, sa back big beam too. Babe. Okay na siguro yun, no?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Oh, kiliw ko, masdan mo lang ako. Wala nang maka.
First would be quit.
I guess we'll never know.
Alam mo yung doms? Doms? Try doms.
Dampa natin.
So, Google mo kung ano yung doms.
Anong Kirom Doms?
Ano yung doms? May sasakit pa yan.
Tawa-tawa siya.
May lumabas dinidilo ano.
Ito po ngayon sa sunog
malapit sa amin. Sobrang init daw. Natanong na namin ang isang residente dito na ang dahilan daw ng sunog, sobrang hot ni Justin. Ay.
Ba't hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako ay mapansin?
Basta nakalagay doon, other members like Justin and Ken.
Ano?
Answer siya.
Hello?
Mr. Cupido, sa kumit
Oh, si Justin. Naka ano yan?
Justin?
Lagay ng ano sa tenga.
Wala, nakagata sa lady.
Dahan lang, dahan lang. Oh, dahan lang, dahan lang, dahan lang, oh, dahan lang. Want you to name it, I do. Want you to make it yours. It's like that goes what says I need, but I don't wanna just taking over me. Don't wanna fight the fight.
At tayo ay sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, iikutin ang tala at buwan habang tayo ay nalilikaw. Pakinggan ng puso, huwag nang bibitaw.
I'm so sorry.
We'll never know, I guess we'll never know. If I would go, no, guess we'll never know. No, I don't know, I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know, I guess we'll never know. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Just on top of me, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride on you, baby, on you, lady, all night, I'm gonna make.
Honest, takot akong mamatay. Kasi sobrang takot na takot akong mamatay. Kasi kung iisipin mo, no, sabi ko, sobrang bata ko pa. Ang dami pang gustong magawa. Dami ko pang gustong bagay na gustong i-enjoy. Kaya number one fear ko talaga is like yung mamatay, yung death. Tapos mag-crumble down lahat ng mga alam mo yun, na-i-build mo. Tapos hindi pa naman siya ganun kataas, tapos mag-crumble na siya.
First would be quit. Number 1, quit.
Spinning like a ballerina.
It's you and me, moving at the speed of light into eternity. Tonight is the night to join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music around you, around you. I'ma take you there, I'ma take you there. So don't be scared, I'm right here, babe. We can go anywhere, go anywhere. But first, it's your chance, take my hand. It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure and double your fun. And dance forever, ever, ever. And forever, ever. And forever, ever. Forever on the dance floor.
Alaya, ako conscious ka kay Alden.
Ay,
Alaya, nagpapakute ka.
Yaya, nagpapabebe ka.
Uy, ala. Ala, kasi pinapanood ni Alden. Ala, nagpapakute si Yaya, oh.
Lalo. Si Yaya nagpapabebe.
Mukhang di naman delikado, kasi parang humingiti na naman ako. Kaya ngayon di na ako mangangamba, kahit anong sabihin nila. Ngayon nandiyan ka na, di magmamadali ko na ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hinding-hindi na ako bibitaw, ngayong ikaw na ang kasaya. Kung meron ng kulay ang aking nagsisilbi, tala, ikaw ay
Pero silver lang.
Hindi mo naman ikakamatay dyan, walang kukunik dyan.
Ano ang gagawin ko?
Ice cream when you
Wala kang bang camera kayo?
Wala ka? Wala.
Okay, Justin, ikaw naman.
Ulit, Justin. Nakaano yan? Lagay naman ng tenga.
Ano?
Ano sa naman nalagay ng mga nakatira dyan sa lapin sa ulo?
Yung ano?
Justin?
Ah, yes. Yes.
Ano ba talagang nagkakagulo dahil Justin, babalikan natin?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Stel. Dito po ngayon sa sunog. Malapit sa amin. Sobrang init daw. Natanong nga namin ang isang residente dito. Nang dahilan daw ng sunog. Sobrang hot ni Justin.
Akala ko mas bebe ka na dyan.
Break na ulo ka lang.
Ganyan ba dapat magtanong na yan? Ano ba yan?
Nga, supposedly kasi, kasama, i-release ko sana siya. So, the song was pretty much done. And especially melody, lahat.
Feeling right now, first would be quit.
Mine would be quit.
We'll never know, I guess we'll never know. If I would go, don't guess we'll never know. No, I don't know, I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know, I guess we'll never. They're trying to kill the colors in my mind, when on my heart what it was to be kind.
Hey, don't hurt him.
I'm afraid to tell you lies, losing myself trying to be alive. So I be picture perfect in your eyes. Oh, you know
the next winner is Rajan Andre Young. Rajan Andre Young. Andre Young.
Sa dami ng nangyayari, saan ba ako lalapit? Kundi sa'yo lang ako kakapit. Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Kaysa salubungin.
많이 많아지는데 이건 누가 봐도 사랑이
Got me in my feelings. What the hell you doing to me? I can't help what I'm feeling. Yeah, 'cause I'm falling down like a summer rain. People asking what we're doing, and I say a thing. Can we keep it to ourselves like if it's all the same? 'Cause if they know, what do we know? That's when everything's gonna change. So we tell them, it might be too much for them, they might get jealous. Hey, the way that you look to me, I feel like heaven. I know they can see it, I know they can tell it. So we ain't gotta tell them. We ain't gotta tell them. Tell them, tell them. Tell them, listen, no, we tell them, tell them. We ain't gotta tell them.
I heard there's a lot of dollars in here. Oh, there's a lot of dollars.
Flashback. Mapipera din mga tao dito eh. Maraming dollars.
Because of your cheers and your support, we're very honored and happy right now.
We will give you 100% performance tonight.
It's just like if it's all the same. 'Cause if they know what we know, that's when everything's gonna change. So we tell them, it might be too much for them, they might get jealous. Hey, the way that you look to me, I feel like heaven. I know they can see it, I know they can tell it. So we ain't gotta tell them.
makipag-ride ka. Wala akong motor. O pinagsasabi mo. Nakaka-bad trip. Ulit-ulit. Ken, bili ka ng motor. Tara, ride tayo. Wala akong motor, par. Wala akong lisensya. Ano yung nagsasabi mo dyan?
Yung mga basketball, sabi ko sa'yo, tasay mo. Pagod na, pre.
Oo, pre. Pagod ako, promise. Alas 10 na.
Pati ano?
Makipaglabas pa ng bahay kasi
basketball daw kami. Nood ng musical. Niyaya ka rin namin. Yung walang aray.
Ay, alam mo naman yung ano. Sabi ko wala akong tulog yan. Nakatulog ako.
Lintik na pag-ibig, parang kidlat. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mong ginulat. Ikaw lang ang pipiliin, o wala nang iba. Ikaw ang panalangin na makasama hanggang sa pagtanda. At lagi kong ulitin, ipapalala sa'yo. Ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin. Pangakong ika'y aalagaan, ibibigay lahat, pati ang buwan. At sa ilalim nitong mga bituin, I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know.
Ang laki! Diyos ko po!
You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, pickums. You're the apple of my eye.
Partner, ayaw mo na ba ako makasama, partner?
Hindi, mamaya magkikita pa tayo, partner. For this game lang.
Lapit ka lang sa akin doon. Dami yung suki din.
ダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎて
ダメよsuki din.